Hello, this is Anusha Prasad from Unwired presenting to you a series of videos that will guide you through the process of using the Unwired TurboForms app. The cross-platform experience of the application makes it available across iOS, Android, Windows devices and the web too. And you can access all functions of the application regardless of internet connectivity. The first video will take you through a step-by-step process of installing and logging into the TurboForms app. This process is shown on an Android device but is similar on any other iOS or Windows devices. First, search for TurboForms in the Play Store. Here you will see TurboForms Digital Forms by Unwired Inc. Go ahead and install the app and open it. Allow necessary permissions as prompted as they make sure all features of the application are accessible. Enter the domain. Once your domain is validated, you will have to enter the email ID and password. All these details should be provided to you by an administrator or through an email. From the first line, choose the right URL, and from the last line, choose a preferred language. Enter all your details and log in. The next video will take you through an overview of the home screen and all the features that you can access there.